Erokamano. Ojiro ne intiere gi wach moro mani dwa wacho kata mani dwa chuoyo nikech nitiere penjo moro ma pod abiro penjo Charles but kisetieko.
Erokamano. I think mondo walos ka hold police kaka nyithindwa, Charles Owino manyakewa, osomo go wadgi baba na, the late marehemu Uma, they were very close. So magi are our family members, magi gin nyithiwa, magi gin jirandewa. So okwa hold any grudge with them. But mana kaka ni wacho, enini ngato kokaw tiji dolo. To Jumapilo leo, okodi dolo, to simbe bende kiyudre, kendo kinyo chako leo, to chako leo kendo, to kuro position mak chako be. To siche modi dolo, to we appreciate. So one, Kenyans appreciate the existing of police as institution. Omiyo, wachulo suru mokwa leo. To ichulo gima msache ge klal, ok leo. Secondly, Kenyans are willing to give information. Sama police dwaro information. Openja kaka wodu Ugenya ukwala to dala kucha be iyogori na dikod police. It is not lost ni Ugenya ukwala police station. Ndalo manan be abedo bes kucha get ma ukwala no wane man wa contribute bwala also. It is not lost ni bende kanwan ukwala kanyo to ne wa make sure ni the court users committee and the area advisory council is so omiyo teko manotio matek kendo mutegno kabisa kod community. Koro we've worked so closely with the police, even in terms of trainings, even in terms of community engagement. Anyalo paro kaka one called Mr. Mushiri, Masani Kori is the county commander of police in Kiambu. We worked very closely. But gimwate mowacho enini richo ma police timo dwa hingo koro ber ma police timo emomiyo ngur gi ywak nitie. For example, nitie sheria moketi, whether it is the National Police Service Act, ama ikatiba, ama international human rights instruments, ma guide police kata in the use of force, ama firearms. And there are even limitations on how to use them and the guidelines. To ki follow up gimakoro watimo ni police operation monitoring, because magi gimakoro kelo ywak kuom Oganda, because nitie standards mon go bed police operate to nitie guidelines ma police matayogi. To siche makoro ok giti within those guidelines and standards e makoro ywak wuokie. For example, Owacho Boniface Mwangi osiepne kabisa. Boniface Mwangi is a very close friend mare. Mowacho ni dramatize ga arrest. Gin very friends, so maybe it could be a personal issue. But kane Boniface Mwangi omakuru yebu wadhiyo Kamkunji. Kane ng'iyo the status of police station ma Kamkunji, for example, wayudo ko mak yude mang'eny. Teni inga ditigoli. Kionge gimoro to ni ywe chur ka iluokur ka tuwogi. In fact, we had to raise that issue with the OCS. So, my thinking, enemy, can't you work moko ma are real, are tangible, and can be identified.
Have you raised that with authorities, Majaloga EACC? Nikech mano en mibade. Mano bende usetero ne EACC koso.
No, take a bilong on administrative actions. For example, you speak, you know what you need, you have collaborative efforts. And as we work closely with the police institution, as an institution, and we raised it up with the OCS Makam Kunji. In fact, Katamana OCS Ma Central, we work very closely. Katako the former OCS Omwami.
Sawa.
So gimwate mo wacho
ni kod gima chiegni to ma uyudo ka nitiere gimoro ma dhi ataro mar dwaro mar katiba mar piny Kenya ma en mibadhi. Ang'o mano kawo mondo neni sector ukonyo e rieyo sector kaka ne Charles wacho ni ubedo gi thuolo mar konyo e rieyo sector.
When you raise an issue with the leadership of that institution, you've taken an action. And it's likely to Odingisini, Ojiro, you raise issue makod magumae, let me follow up. It is a collaborative aspect. It's a soft approach. Tabia godimbele, then you take to the next level. For example, kani wa station kakanya to waido ni there are a lot of young people mokwanya kwanyi barabaran or in the name of drinking a disorderly gikilago. And we raise the issue with the OCS.
Magobeni abductions.
I'm just I'm just giving you now another example.
Okay.
So do go back to the issue. Mo wacho ni dano imako to wuondre no bed abducted because they were trying to resist arrest, ama intie brutality by police, anyalo penjo Mr. Owino, for example, kwa the multimedia university en gima ni public domain ni kaka nyathi school cha no bedo clobbered iwito ni nyaka tegas mondo lipuka kuome, idwacho nyathino was dramatizing. You cannot say that. So there are clear evidence mangiso ni police okotio maber. To one kaka jok matimo monitoring, we must speak about them. Mano does not mean ni ki punish nyathini to kitere school amu kimie chiemo. Because chiemo is your duty, mondimie chiemo, just like punishing her. And our way of punishing is to raise out on these issues and report to their bosses or authorities.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.